Creating original AI shorts is all about harnessing the power of creativity and technology. Start by brainstorming unique ideas that resonate with your audience. Think outside the box. What stories can AI tell that haven't been told before? Next, choose the right tools. Use AI platforms for script writing, animation, or voiceovers. Experiment with different styles, maybe a quirky animation or a thought-provoking narrative. Don't forget to keep it concise. Aim for a punchy 30 seconds that captures attention immediately. Finally, add your personal touch. Infuse your personality into the content to make it truly original. Remember, the goal is to entertain and inspire, so let your imagination run wild.